Welcome to the Carriage Caravan's Car, Carriage, and Caravan Museum. This collection has an abundance of transportation pieces. It includes one of the oldest carriages on display in America, a Portuguese nobility carriage, and one of the oldest cars on display, a Mercedes-Benz from the 1890s. Look for the museum's main page and Carriage Caravan's page for when you purchase the cavern ticket. Admission to this museum is included, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.